Welcome back to the 28-day challenge, Tai Chi and Qigong for seniors and beginners. Today we are going to do self-applied massage to reintegrate ourselves back into our daily life. This is going to be eye acupoint massage. Acupoints around the eyes, but we're also going to massage the face, do some other acupoints. We're going to be massaging with our finger pads. The index fingers or the middle fingers, whichever feels right to you. Taking the pad, rotating, circling a point gently. It's a broad point. We don't have to get it just right. There are a lot of benefits to this. There are a lot of nerve endings, a lot of acupoints, lymph system in the area that needs to be gently moved. And this massage helps with all that. We start off at the inner corner of the eyes, not on the eye, the inner corner outside the eyes, circling. Then we move up to the inner corner of the eyebrow and we circle there. And then we swipe from the inner corner to the outer corner of the eyebrow, and we do that a few times. Now feel for a divot right in the middle, right above the pupils, circle there, then the outer corner of the eyebrow. Now down, outer corner of the eye, swiping underneath the eye, underneath the pupils, and we go back to the inner corner of the eye. With the finger pads on both sides of the ridge of the nose, from top to bottom, and the base of the nose, and we feel for these divots down at the bottom, and we work them. Then behind the ears, with the palms on the temples. And then we put our palms over our ears and we drum on the points where your head meets the pillow. You can add other self-applied massage elements to this, such as dry wash of the face, running the fingers next to the scalp, massaging the back of the neck and the shoulders, massaging the hands and the feet, and of course the ears. Let's do a quick demonstration, a very short practice session. Shift your mind, body, and breath. Smile from the heart. Butterfly dances. Looser and looser. And let go. And drift. Settle. Warm up your hands. Cover the eyes. Enjoy the warmth. Enjoy the stillness. Blink open. Lift. Massage the face. Run your fingertips close to your scalp. Eye acupoint massage. Thank you for joining me.